Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Jackal2120, and this is the construction, disassembly, whatever you wish to call it, of a Mosberg spring-loaded magazine. It's basically the ones you pick up from Dick's Sporting Goods or Walmart. Anyway, the reason why I'm showing or doing this video is because of sometimes your mags can get dirty or whatever, and your mag's dirty, that's no good. So you take it apart. Basically, you unscrew the screw. Everything just flies out. When that happens, make sure you have your spring, little knobby thingy, plastic screw, 2 metal screws, and a BB cap holder, we'll call it. What you want to do first is actually take this cap holder, put it right in here, make sure it's in, clicking in and stuff. Sure it's in. Next thing you want to do is put the spring in just like that. Try to give it a closer look. With this little rectangular shaped thing sticking up. Push that back inside. Also, make sure it's straight. Crooked won't do. Straight is the best. When you do that, you get the other body piece, line it up, clip it in, drag that spring up, take your plastic screw, this thing, stick it in on the end, push that screw all the way in. The cool thing with this plastic screw is you can call it a flathead, and to use my nails here, I'll just turn it. Okay. Yep, it's a flathead, so if you need a screwdriver, you can use it, but I just use my fingernails. Close everything up. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Make sure the springs function properly. Next thing you want to do is put the metal screws in, just like this. Roll around here and stuff. Take your screwdriver, screw the screws in. We'll make sure the screws are in nice and tight, but not too tight that you're breaking through the plastic. Yep. I picked this up from my local sports authority, and picked up for a game. Used it. It was quite fun, actually. Well, there you go. That's the disassembly of a Mosberg spring magazine. Alright, for more videos, go to my buddy's channel, MaximusMJG. MaximusMJG. And also check out my other buddy, TangodownairsoftNJ. Capital NJ. Alright. See you later.